What I love about Kat most is her sense of humor and her sense of adventure.
I love Nick because he's kind and he is hilarious. I've never met somebody who I felt so connected to instantaneously. The joke is that I told him that we weren't going to be an item, and then I spent every night for 3 months in his apartment, finally giving in once I realized that I left my toothbrush at his apartment probably 3 days in a row.
I love her ability to care for others and really her urge to just jump in and help other people. She does it time and time again, even when we drive by someone on the side of the road, if they have their lights on, you know, she's leaning back and looking to stop and asking, should we call someone? Are they going to be okay?
And he's a very sincere human, which I really appreciate. And he is dynamic, which is something you don't find in many humans. I feel like there are so many different pieces to his personality as a whole. And I like that he can be kind of any person within himself, I guess.